What's up, y'all? It's Paul Osmus here, Texman365 2007. I found this right here. I mean, this is an actual tree that got struck by lightning, and it somehow survived. Like, somewhat. I mean, obviously, it's not still alive, but look at how bad. Look at how bad this thing has been blown to pieces. This is unreal. Oh my gosh, dude, seriously, I mean, you see all the char marks, and then it's down over here. So yeah, it's a big tree. But that right there, like, oh my gosh.
And when that happened, the lightning started charring the tree, and it went timber.
Yeah, well, I'm sure it was burning, and it seriously, like, almost exploded, it seems. It's unreal. Wow. Anyway, y'all. This is Paul Osmus here, Texman365 2007. Just want to share that with you guys. I'm trying to take as many videos as I can on my vacation. It's been pretty cool. I'm digging it. We're going to continue down this trail. Please drop a like on this video, like I said. Paul Osmus, Texman365 2007. Signing off. Love you guys. Peace.